Hi! Are you trying to make a plan for work or for your studies? Do you need a clear, detailed plan to map out all the options available? We have a solution for you to help you organize your thoughts into a detailed plan. To get started, go to the link which is located in the YouTube description. After installing the software, click on the software icon at the top right of the browser. Let's start. Begin to create a mind map by clicking on the plus sign of the oval icon in the middle of the screen. I will create a simple mind map about studying English as a second language. After creating the mind map, you can save it to your computer or save to Google Drive. Click on the website link in the YouTube description to get this free software now. If you like our content, please press the subscribe button as well. Our team provides useful tech content on a weekly basis. Remember to click the bell as well. Thank you for watching.